Hello, I am here to do another unboxing for you. This one's called Angel Wisdom Tarot by Radliegh Valentine. If you want to read what that back of that book says, I guess I can do it like this for you. If you want to read that, go ahead and pause your video, and then you can go ahead and read that. Pretty thick book here, you guys. It's got a lot of information in there. It has some spread options if you want to use those. And again, if you want to pause it and read that about the illustrations and the symbolism and everything. This one was $24.99 in the US and $33.99 in Canada. Again, I got this one. This one's also printed in China. I did get this one from the Crystal Cave Metaphysical store in Lake Forest, California, if anyone's interested. I'm really enjoying this one so far because I can see that it has an explanation at the bottom. A new start, trust yourself, push your fears aside, and take a leap of faith. Looks like it has some kind of symbolism and elements here on the side, which is kind of cool. We'll see how that goes. And then we've got the numbers down here at the bottom. So this one is the dreamer. I'm assuming it should be the fool. I love the symbolism. I love the words at the bottom. Here's the magician. Magic is alive in your life. What you need to be a success will manifest. If you believe it, you can do it. All right, the high priestess. I'm just going to go ahead and just read the titles, and then if you guys want to pause and read the bottoms, you're welcome to. I have a lot of talking to do today at work. So here we are. The Empress. Very nice. Time to take action, guys. We've got the Emperor. Logic and organization will increase your success. I think this is a really great deck for beginners, so that way you can kind of understand what it is. I want to say that this is like the Hierophant, right? The Wise Counselor. And then you've got the Lovers. Embrace true love and deep, intimate friendships. Make choices from the heart, vibrant health, or recovery from an illness. Oh, I didn't know that. I guess that's what that green heart is, and that staff with the snake on it is. That's medicine for you. Got the Chariot here. Justice. Hermit. The Wheel. Strength. Awakening. Release. Balance. I'm really liking the artwork on this too. Ego. The illusion of being trapped. Accept responsibilities for your situation and then make choices that support your path to happiness, addictions, or unhealthy habits. So this is clearly the devil. So with that said, I wish everyone to know that if you are living in your ego, you are also living in the devil mentality. You will not have lasting relationships if you are always living in the ego. That can be so unhealthy. Always live in the center. Transformation. The Star. I'm so excited to be able to use these cards now. The Moon. The Sun. Renewal. Oopsie. The World. Oh, stretch, puppy, stretch. Oh, look at that. There's no header on this one. These must be the minor arcana cards. 1 of fire. Yeah? 2 of fire. Cannot tell you how excited I am. 3 of fire. 6. These are also your wands. So as you're learning these, 8 of wands, 9 of wands, because it's the fire suit, guys. 10 of wands, 11 of wands, basically. That's the Prince of Wands. Oh, pretty. Knight of Wands. The Queen of Wands with a cat. Meow. King of Wands. Here we are into the water. How cute is that? 1 of Cups. 2 of Cups. 3 of Cups. Water, emotions. 4 of Cups. Being all bummed out about the 4 cups there. 3 are spilled. 5 of Cups. Now what to do? We've got the 6 of Cups. How cute is that? 7 of Cups. So many options. 8 of Cups. Huh. See ya. 9 of Cups. 10 of Cups. Happy life. Princess of Cups. Knight of Cups. Queen of Cups. King of Cups. Swords. We're doing our swords. The air. Remember, these are all of your air zodiac signs. Taking off your armor, sitting and meditate. 5 of Swords. Unwise choice. No more gambling, please. 6 of Air. 7 of Air. 8 of Swords. Gosh, I feel like I've been in the swords for so long. 9 of Swords. 10 of Swords. I'm assuming since that one went down there near his ass. Sorry for the word choice. I need to really pay attention to that unfounded fear card and really pull myself together. Oh, look at the butterfly. That's so cute. Prince of Air. Knight of Air. Queen of Air. King of Air. Here we are. Wise counsel, good fortune, and this is Earth. Leaves, working too hard. 2 of Pentacles, 3 of Pentacles, which are your Earth signs. 4 of Pentacles. 5 of Pentacles, which is your Earth. 6 of Pentacles. 7 of Earth. There's those pentacles on the wall. 8, 9, 10. Prince. Knight. Queen. And King. All right, let's do this reading. And since I'm only doing this one-handed, that's funny. That's upside down now. That's the same card, guys, that I just picked up. All right, so there's something going on that we need to stand up for ourselves. Got to challenge those people that are keeping us from the things that we want to do, and we have to stop being so afraid because looks like there's unfounded fear here. when you're expecting the worst, so you've got to expect the best. You shouldn't be afraid. You have a brilliant idea that needs refinement. Have faith everything will work out and communicate clearly about everything. And you will find loyal and dedicated people. But you got to get going. Start paying attention to the details and wait for the perfect timing. There's someone here for you who's kind of like guiding you through it all. You are brilliant. There's nothing you can't do. You have to believe in yourself. Don't underestimate your ability to make your dreams come true, because it can happen. Just make it happen. Thanks, guys. Have a wonderful day. Make it great.